welcome back. We're back. We're back with vlogs. All right, so we're at the Nerd, Simo's place. If you're in Vegas, check it out. You might catch Marshall, Simo, or myself. You never know, but pretty cool place. And you could say you bowled at Simo's place. Today's practice day for the regional, member, non-member. Here's my partner, Alex Hoskins. We almost won the Masters, kind of, but not really. But anyways, we're here at the Nerd. We're doing a little bit of testing today. I can't tell you anything about it. Super top secret. But I had to start the vlog at some point, so I was like, why not now? It's about 2:45. We have practice session at 5 at South Point up in the plaza. It's gonna be a pretty chill day. We're gonna do something a little different for the practice session, content-wise. So that should be pretty cool. That video should have come out before this one. So if you haven't seen it yet, go check it out. Link might be in the description or somewhere I'm pointing, I don't know. But yeah, here we go. All right, traffic in Vegas is not fantastic around 2:30 to 5. But we're here at South Point. We're in the paddock. Got to change to the monkey suit. Brian Kyle merch. Link in the description below. Thehousepoint.com. Check it out. But I got to change to the monkey suit, and then we have practice at 4. They're still finishing, or 5. Sorry, 5 o'clock. They're still finishing up the non-champs event. I think they're going into the round of 4. So I'm gonna pop our heads out there and check that out. Bang, monkey suit. Let's go. Now you can explode.
I'm really mad. I'm going to explode.
Yeah. Did you throw the urethane ball?
I did not throw the urethane ball.
Is that why you're mad?
Yeah, well, not really. I'm just mad in general.
Okay.
I fouled 4 times. I missed 2 makeables, but had 14 opens.
You probably should have thrown the urethane ball.
I was doing the wrong thing. Yeah. My urethane ball didn't have any sauce on it. No, there's no surface on it or anything. So.
Okay.
So it was like kind of out of play unless I really threw it slow, which I'm not very good at throwing it slow. I kind of just got trapped and then realized that if I just got to the spot a little bit earlier with something big, then you kind of had the whole lane.
At least it was the warm-up round.
Yes, the warm-up round.
You're getting ready for the main event.
I'm trying to win the big one.
And now you have practice session where you can kind of feel it out.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice.
Just give it a go.
All right, we got Brian on the cam. We're starting practice. Yo. A lot of friends here. Look at Greg's right there. Let's go. I think Alex is done too. If anything points towards high scores, it's looking like whatever we're bowling on. It's 44 feet, the gutter's hooked, urethane's in play. A lot of guys in the non-champs threw it, and I didn't really bring any urethane balls, so I can't really say for myself, but it's also practice.
What up, dog?
Go check out Lewis's channel. I don't know what it is, but he does content. He does ball reviews, so check him out. We're all about helping out the bowling community. So anyways, back to the bowling part. I think Alex and I are a good team, so we just gotta go out there and do what we know how to do, and everything should pan out for Sunday. I was thinking about keeping some bowling balls, or bringing some bowling balls home, but I'd rather have the options here than not, just in case, because you just never know. I have 8 balls here. I'll bring a bunch of urethane balls tomorrow. We're gonna throw a lot of strikes. There's no doubt in my mind. We're gonna do it.
Holy shit, scared the shit out of me.
How was your experience today?
It started off really good.
In the non-champs, yeah?
Yeah. Started with urethane the first 3.5 games. started with 127 over, and then after that went away. I had nothing. So gotta figure.
And he's
Gotta
not
figure.
bowling practice session.
No.
So I hope you have a good game plan for tomorrow.
I do.
I hope you have a good partner.
Yeah.
So
He throws it all right. So
we'll let the comment section be the judge of that.
maybe the ball reaction needs a little bit of work, but we'll get there tomorrow.
Yeah, he does
We'll
okay.
get there tomorrow.
Look who it is. Derek. Bro.
What up?
How you doing, man? I feel like I haven't seen you in forever.
I just drove 8 hours, climbed up how many? I don't even know how many flights of stairs, but I am exhausted.
Did you park in the back?
What's that?
Did you park in the back?
I parked in the parking garage.
Oh, that's about as far away as possible.
I forget, man.
It's alright.
Forget the layout.
It was packed in the back. It's okay. Alright, we'll have a good practice.
Thank you.
The last 15 minutes.
I'll see you at sushi.
Casey, give us the rundown. What's happening right now?
Well, our boy Solomon, who's rooming with us this weekend, he is in the championship match.
Well, now it's deep.
Purple Hammer all day, I think. Maybe a little bit of the black one, but
So he's buying dinner, right?
he better
When he
be.
wins, he's buying dinner?
I don't know if he knows the whole how this whole winning thing works.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
We got a winner in the house. Let's go. You guys think he'll buy dinner?
Just like that.
He's kind of new. It's his first adult tournament and first regional. We won't put that on him yet. He'll learn though. The champion! I'm not gonna ask you any of those stupid questions like how you feel and stuff. So I'm just gonna say congratulations and thanks for buying dinner. I'm just kidding. It's his first time. It's okay. I'm just kidding. All right, now we're just gonna outro. We're wrapping it up. We're bowling qualifying tomorrow. 8 games. Half of us are on A, half on B. So it kind of sucks, but you know it is what it is. I'm on A.
I'm on B.
Practice together?
We got the China squad.
You guys practice together?
Whatever. Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.
Double.
Hello.